Are you also stuck in the same loop? You start scrolling at 10 p.m. and suddenly it's 3 or 4 a.m. And the next morning, you wake up feeling guilty again. Man, I woke up late again. Now what? Whether it's college, office, gym, you are late for everything. You cannot get ready properly, and your whole day begins in chaos. Then you think, from tomorrow, I have to fix this. But guess what? That tomorrow never comes. I have been there too. Late night scrolling, broken routines, feeling drained all the time. It honestly feels terrible. But I finally managed to fix my sleep cycle. Now I sleep on time. I wake up on time. I am refreshed, ready to win the day. In this video, I will break down what I did, what worked, what didn't, and how you can escape this loop too. Because waking up on time improves everything: your mood, energy, routine, and productivity. Before getting into it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more self-improvement videos like this. First, what are we doing wrong? Most people do not sleep on time because even though their body is tired, their mind is overstimulated. Why? Here are the 3 big mistakes we make at night. 1. Scrolling reels using phones excessively. You think watching reels or Netflix is giving you a break, but your brain does not think so. It's getting dopamine hits every 10 seconds, new sounds, new visuals, new opinions. It gets overloaded. So when you finally switch everything off, your brain goes, bro, the party was just getting started. 2. Overthinking stress. At night, when things are quiet, the stress of the whole day multiplies. Your mind starts solving problems, overthinks the past and the future. Your body is in rest mode, but your brain is in marathon mode. 3. Tea, coffee, late night snacks, workouts. Having caffeine or sugary food before sleep. You are messing with your natural sleep system. Caffeine blocks melatonin, the sleep hormone, and its effects last 6 to 8 hours. So even if you had coffee at 6 p.m., your brain stays alert till midnight. You may fall asleep after coffee, but it would not be deep, quality sleep. Same with chocolate, Maggi, junk food. It activates your digestive system. Want deep, peaceful sleep. Avoid eating anything after dinner. Try to have dinner before 8 p.m. Your brain needs peace to enter rest mode. Sleep is not just about the body, it's a mind-body system. What helped me fix it? Let's get into what worked for me. 1. Fixed bedtime, 10 to 10:30 p.m. I committed to sleeping at the same time daily, even if I was not sleepy. At first, I would just lie down in the dark, no phone, no lights. Sleep came after 1 to 1.5 hours, but eventually my body adapted. Truth is, waking up early is not hard. Sleeping early is. 2. No screens 15 minutes before bed. I would not say quit your phone an hour before. I get it. It's not practical. But at least put your phone away 15 minutes before bed. Blue light blocks melatonin. Give your brain a break. 3. Magnesium supplements. Not promoting any product, but I tried magnesium for a month. It helped. I felt better rested, and my body recovered better. It reduces muscle tension and improves sleep quality. 4. Cardamom milk, game changer. Warm milk is already great. Cardamom adds flavor, reduces stress, and helps digestion. Feels like a cozy bedtime treat. 5. Evening routine. I created a habit. After dinner, I would complete 10,000 steps. I would walk and use that time to wind down. You can read, do spiritual practices, or anything that calms your mind. 6. No caffeine after 6 p.m. now. I only take caffeine once, morning pre-workout. Tea only around 4 to 5 p.m. if at all. After that, zero caffeine. Sure, you can sleep after tea, but it would not be quality sleep. 7. Regular workouts, but not late night. Exercise tires your body. You want to sleep after. I play basketball, and I am out like a light afterward. Morning workouts are best. But late night workouts spike adrenaline. If you work out at 10 p.m., you would not sleep till 12 or 1 a.m. 8. Use bed only for sleeping. I made my bed a sacred sleep space. No eating, no lounging, no working. I even fold it up during the day, so when I unfold it at night, my brain knows it's sleep time. 9. Cold showers or warm baths. After a hot day or game, I shower and boom, instant sleep mode. It relaxes you deeply. If you've tried it, post-shower sleep hits different. 10. Sleep tracking. I use my Apple Watch to track my sleep. Every morning I check. How many hours did I sleep? How much deep sleep did I get? If I sleep 8 hours but get only 1 hour of deep sleep, I adjust. Maybe sleep by 10:30 instead of 11. Track and customize your sleep routine. Fix your sleep, fix your life. I have lived both lives, waking up at 12 p.m. and waking at 6 a.m. And I am telling you, sleeping and waking on time is unmatched. More energy, less stress, better fitness, better focus. No downside.